Hello friends and welcome to Simplified Solution. In this video, we will discuss about immune system. What is immune system? How it protects us against pathogens and how to boost our immune system during this pandemic period. As we know, the confirmed cases of COVID-19 is about 5 million across the world with 328,000 deaths as recorded in 21st of May. In today's video, we will discuss about the most important issue that will help to survive in this defining global health crisis ever, which is caused by the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. This is the high time ever in this planet Earth after World War II. It has already emerged across all countries and playing a fatal role. Consequently, as you know that to fight against this invisible enemy, the one and only course of action that one can overcome is to strengthen his immune system. Now, what is immune system? A brief description about immune system is that it is one of the supreme system which we take no notice of. It is composed of some special complex cells, tissues, organs and proteins that protects or fight against infections, viruses, germs and microorganisms which harm us. Now the question arises how it protects us against foreign bodies. It keeps record and history of every foreign bodies such as germs, microbes, bacteria, viruses, etc. So sometimes we call it as antibodies. Then why do our immune system is not performing against this coronavirus? Here I would like to state that this is totally a brand new virus whose behavior is still unknown. So till the invention of absolutely curable vaccine, we all need to build up a powerful immune system and most importantly, stay home, stay safe. So after knowing what is immune system, it's time to know the causes of immune depression. You will really be shocked by hearing that uncompromising stress can lead to cause immune depression. In addition to it, constant infections, allergies, rheumatoid arthritis and even some internal diseases like kidney disease may drastically participate to weaken your immune system. Besides this, prolonged usage of vaccines and medicines may exhaust your immune system, which are the side effects of consuming medicines. In addition to it, some of the immune system weakening ailments are subjection towards radiation and chemicals, allergies due to malfunction, hepatitis, rheumatic fever, bacterial or viral disease, consumption of alcohols and nicotines, air pollution, hypothyroidism, high sugar diets, and asthma. Don't get panic with all this stuff, as here we have arrived for its treatment and boosting our immune system at home. So, method number 1, take 1 liter of boiled water. Add 1 tablespoon of dried ginger, 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, that is dhania, fresh tulsi leaves, and mix all these ingredients and strain it and drink once in a day. Ginger protects the one suffering from cold and coriander seeds improves your heart health. The second method is that mix 1 glass of milk with 4 glasses of water, add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and boil till it reduces to single glass. Strain it and drink. Along with it, you can consume lemon, which consists of vitamin C and has detoxifying qualities. Next, you can consume foods that are highly rich in zinc. Some of these sources of zinc are dairy foods, eggs, meat, shellfish, nuts, and whole grains. Those drinks will help to strengthen your immune system and will resist the foreign virus and other harmful pathogens to attack you easily. So, this is all for today, and at last, I would like to say again, stay home, stay safe. I upload videos about home remedies for diseases following Ayurveda fundamentals. Kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. And if you like the video, kindly share the video with friends and families so that they may get benefited. And at last, thank you and stay fit, stay healthy.